Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning back in. If you're new here, please subscribe. Make sure you click the bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I deep condition my natural hair. I know a lot of times we are really busy and sometimes we are really lazy, but I find that by me deep conditioning my hair, I was able to obtain waist length hair in such a short period of time. And I know it can be quite a process when you're dealing with natural hair. It can be a process when dealing with relaxed hair, period. But natural hair takes more time, it's more time consuming, and the products are expensive. So I know that to be sure because I'm a product junkie. But being on this natural hair journey for a while, I done got smarter, I done wisened up. So I found products that are very beneficial for my hair and not expensive. You know, you gotta weigh it out, the pros and the cons. So I'm here for the inexpensive things, easy things in life. So I'm gonna show you guys how I deep condition my hair, and we're gonna bring some moisture back into our hair because I'll be honest with you, a lot of times I go weeks and months without deep conditioning my hair. Most of the time I find myself just co-washing my hair, slicking my hair back with some gel and keeping it moving. But I do notice that when I neglect my hair does feel a little more dry, it does feel a little more limp, a little bit more weak. So deep conditioning your hair is very, very vital to healthy growing long hair. It penetrates the hair shaft and it allows moisture and shine into your hair. So if you've been slacking with your hair, pulling it, dyeing it, chemicals, just not moisturizing it like you should on a day-to-day basis, then you need to do this deep conditioning with me today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn your post notifications on, and let's jump into the video. So I'll be using one of my favorite recovery hair masks by Dove. It has a thick consistency as well as amazing slip, which is formulated for coils and curls, along with raw honey, castor oil, peppermint oil, and vitamin E capsules, which really help to bring back moisture and define my curls. These are my top go-tos because they're all under $10, but are very effective in promoting healthy hair growth. I never really measure. You can kind of just gauge it depending on how thick and long your hair is. I add about 4 tablespoons, followed with 1 teaspoon of castor oil, which helps to strengthen the hair roots and treat thinning hair. Next, I add a teaspoon of peppermint oil. Peppermint oil helps with dryness, itching, and because of the menthol, it increases blood circulation to hair follicles, promoting hair growth. Now I add 4 capsules of vitamin E, which is very easy to cut open. Vitamin E has natural antioxidants that help with hair growth. It helps to bring back shine, reduce breakage, and protects hair from damage. Lastly, I use raw honey. Honey is a humectant, which smooths the hair follicles, adds shine to dull hair, and being that I have low porosity hair, it really locks in moisture and shine and defines my curls. So now all I'm going to do is just mix it up until I have a nice creamy consistency. Now it's time to wash this hair, so I'll be shampooing and conditioning with apple cider vinegar, clarifying and shine products by Nature Love. Now that my hair is nice and washed, I always start and section my hair off in 4s because it makes it easier when I'm applying the product. I always start from my roots and work my way down to my ends. And once I feel like my hair is heavily coated, I then will go in and detangle with my brush just to make sure I smooth any knots or tangles out. Once I feel like my hair is nice and detangled, I'm then going to put it in a twist to move it out the way to prevent any other tangles and begin working on all of the other sections until I finish my entire head. So now I'm just going to put my hair up and apply my plastic cap. And as you can see, I only have a little bit of hair shed, and this has been for 2 weeks of having my hair in a bun, so I'm really pleased with that. Now I'm gonna go on my hot head thermal cap, which is clutch. This is amazing because you can take it with you anywhere. It's microwavable, and what this does is it allows the deep conditioner to penetrate the strands of your hair, which helps repair damaged hair. Now I'm going to rinse the conditioner out with cold water, which helps to close the cuticles. Closed cuticles are smoother cuticles, which can give your hair some much needed shine. Cold water for hair ensures your scalp remains cleaner for longer as it closes the pores, making it less vulnerable to grease, oil, and dirt. And as I'm rinsing my hair, I can already feel how smooth my hair looks. My hair, as you can see, looks so rejuvenated, revitalized. It has shine. My curls are defined, so easily detangled. It just looks brand new. Curls come through. Look how moisturized my hair looks. And if your hair looks like this without even applying product, then you know you got a deep condition. My hair looks so soft, moisturized, and super bouncy. Okay guys, so I just wanted to quickly show you how my hair looks after I rinsed out the deep conditioner and I styled my hair. I'm just like, wow, blown away. You can see how hydrated and moisturized my hair looks. It's amazing what a couple of minutes can do to your hair. I mean, there's no excuses now. So like I said, this is very important, and it's very important to deep condition your hair to keep your hair nice and moisturized and hydrated. And you don't have to do this all the time. Just try to do it at least twice out of the month. If you can't do it once a week, try to do it at least twice a month, just to make sure you keep your hair hydrated and it's getting the moisture that your hair needs. Very simple. If you're interested in trying it, I will be sure to link all of the products that I use down below. Thank you guys so much for watching.